so I found I figured just try the minus world because why not? And this is obviously just like a graphic mod, right? And this is obviously just a graphics mod, but apparently the shit that mods the graphic changed enough bytes to make the minus world beatable. And it goes on. So this shit is kind of sick. So, let me just beat this. So this is a relatively new mod. I'm pretty sure I'm the first person to discover this. I'm not sure if it's relevant or anything, but I think it's pretty sick. You know, this was actually my first time doing the minus world glitch, and I was fucking shocked. Because, you know, fucking, -2. Stop the turret. So I can skip a bunch of bullshit. Ass, so I'm here. Now watch this. -1. So, you know, minus world with some slight differences because the princess here. Because obviously it changed something. I don't know why that was. But it did change something. Obviously a bit different. But this allows us to go to which is, I think it's like 2-2 or 2-3. I could be mistaken. But I'll beat this in a moment. And then this next one's really cool. This is the last one. Which is really fucking cool. But I think this is so fucking strange. It's so cool though. It changes like just the right amount of light. I don't know why these guys are here, what they're replacing, but they are here. Oh, fuck! Like I said, I suck at this game. No means am I professional. Oh, shit. And then after this, I'm sure I just, I need to bait these guys. These guys are fucking annoying! Holy shit. Oh my god! Oh! But -3! It's crazy. And this is what it goes up to, and after this, it's kind of weird. It just goes back to shadow. And then you depowder, which is crazy. Oh wait, I fucking stopped on one. And then it boots back to the menu. And then if you hit play and then continue, it just brings you to 1-3. But that's -2 and -3, which is pretty cool. You know, I'm pretty proud of it. Wait, what I mean, I don't know, I'm just dumbfounded right now. But yeah, you know, I hope this maybe helps like speedrunners or some shit. I heard it might. But